We all know there are many page builders out there, and it's very difficult to choose the right one, especially when you hear people on social media talking about this one is the best, this one has more features, this one has this one has that. So as a new designer, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to choose which one is best. So as you can see here, we have Elementor, Bricks Builder, Beaver Builder, Gutenberg, Divi, and there's also many others that I haven't mentioned here. So the idea here is to focus. Focus is very, very important because you need to understand that the type of websites that really make you money are the websites that either generate leads or generate sales. So this is the only way you're going to be making a lot of money when you design websites, either for yourself or your customers. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing tips which are going to help you become a good designer and also what types of websites you need to focus on. All right, so let's talk about these page builders. Now, every single one of these page builders can actually create websites that generate sales or leads. You can create landing pages with either Gutenberg, Beaver Builder, Bricks, Divi, and so on. You can also create e-commerce websites, membership websites. So I know you're probably thinking, okay, so which page builder should I choose? So going back to what I mentioned before, you need to make sure that you create websites that either generate sales or generate leads. So the most important thing here is when you look at these page builders is to focus on workflow. Now, these page builders have different interfaces. So one may like the way Elementor's workflow is, one may like the way Divi's workflow is, and so on. So you need to make sure that you try them out, because some of these have trials. Try them out and see which one has the right workflow for you, because this is where you're going to be spending most of your time in. Next, you need to take a look at price. Now, all these page builders come at different price points. Now, personally, what I like are lifetime memberships. I just want to pay once and that's it. I get all my updates for free. So at the moment, there's Bricks Builder. They offer a lifetime license, which is $249. Now, I know you're probably thinking, well, that's a lot of money. To be honest with you, it's not really a lot of money when you're serious about designing websites, because you can make that money back by just designing one website. Now, we also have Divi. Now, as you know, so they also have a lifetime access, which is $249. Now, I really trust this team of developers because they've been very consistent in adding more and more features. At the moment, there's Divi AI, which is very exciting. So I really like the direction they're taking. So at the moment, if you want to compare all these page builders like for like, Divi is not really there, but with time, it's going to catch up. So don't be disheartened by the fact that right now Divi doesn't have the features that Bricks Builder has or Elementor has. It is playing catch up, but the most important thing, like I said, is once you have your lifetime access, you are going to get all these updates absolutely free. But just think about this workflow. So these are the two options when it comes to pricing. Now let's move on to the next thing. Now, what is important as a designer is to design websites that give you either leads or sales. Now, as you can see here, I've just put Divi here as the base, but for any page builder to work, it needs to be combined with a plugin that adds functionality. So in this case, if you take a look at WP Funnels, this is a funnel builder for WordPress. So if you get a client that wants some funnels which are similar to what you get with, say, ClickFunnels, this will be your solution, and you can just charge for that solution, which is fantastic. Let's say you want to build a course website, an online course website. Tutor LMS is there. You can use Tutor LMS to design your online course websites, and your base is going to be Divi. Now, let's say you want to build a membership website. Again, you can use Wishlist Member. Let's say you want to build an e-commerce website where your clients can sell all their products on there. WooCommerce is there. So as you can see, the page builder is really down there. I would go as far as saying page builder contributes to about, say, 20% of what a functional website does. But the plugins is what adds the 80%, the functionality and all the features that really make that website work. Now, of course, in this example here, you may have some overlaps, or you may need to combine certain plugins for this to work. But generally speaking, this is what really works. You're going to need to have a plugin that is trusted, that works really well for you. And this is how you're going to be building this type of websites. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing. So let's say you've decided to choose your page builder. what is important at this stage now is to make sure that you join a community or you join some, let's say, Facebook groups of that page builder or a group which has like-minded people. The reason why you want to do that is because you can get inspiration, help, and so on and so forth. Now, in my case, because I've been using Divi for a very long time, I created a membership website called Divi University. This is where I'm going to be adding courses, child themes, templates, live workshops, and all these are revolving around the idea of Divi as the base and our functional website using all these plugins right here. So I spend so much time trying to learn them, making sure that I'm testing them. And once I'm happy with these, I create videos, I create courses, and these are the type of courses that are going to make your lifetime membership worthwhile. So you're probably asking, well, is Divi University really worth it? Well, absolutely, because this is where I'm going to be sharing everything that I know about making money with websites. In fact, right now, I make money through affiliate marketing, selling courses, selling child themes. So everything that I've mastered is all going to be on Divi University. That's where I'll have everything there. I'll show you how I've managed to make money. Now, my initial investment was in buying Divi, and this one license has really given me the opportunity to make more than 100,000. And this is amazing. So just imagine from 249 investment to over 100,000. So this is amazing, and this is what I'm going to be sharing on diviuniversity.com if you become a member. So let's talk about Divi University and the pricing. So at the moment, I have a lifetime membership. Now, this is not going to be the case going forward forever. Definitely, I want to make this a yearly membership. So this is just a one-time. You purchase your lifetime membership. You'll have access to all your current courses and all your future courses and pretty much everything else that I create on Divi University. You don't have to pay any extra. So the price is $5.99, but I have a special discount here, which is $179. And like I said, you get full access to Divi University. So there'll be courses, child themes, templates, live training, workshops. Even when Divi updates to, let's say, Divi 5 or Divi 6, basically you are going to be learning with me, and I'll be sharing all the latest technologies, latest features, and how to integrate all these plugins and child themes together to create amazing looking websites. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. See you again in the next one. Take care.